The Bitcoin Lightning Network is a second-layer solution designed to address Bitcoin scalability issues by enabling fast and inexpensive off-chain transactions. Here's how it works. Payment channels. Participants in the Lightning Network open payment channels between each other by creating a multi-signature wallet on the Bitcoin blockchain. These channels allow users to transact with each other off-chain. Off-chain transactions. Once a payment channel is established, users can conduct an unlimited number of transactions off-chain without broadcasting each transaction to the Bitcoin blockchain. This reduces congestion on the main blockchain and enables instant transactions with minimal fees. Routing. If a user wants to send funds to someone with whom they don't have a direct payment channel, they can use the Lightning Network's routing functionality. Payments are routed through a network of interconnected channels, similar to how data is routed on the internet. Atomic swaps. The Lightning Network supports atomic swaps, allowing users to exchange different cryptocurrencies directly within the network, without the need for intermediaries. Security. The security of Lightning Network transactions is enforced by smart contracts and the underlying Bitcoin blockchain. In the event of disputes or attempted fraud, users can always fall back on the main blockchain to settle transactions.